So we're in Clovis, California. We just came out and did a quick repair on a toilet out here. We'd worked on this in the past. There was leaking out of the bowl at the bottom, so came out and replaced the wax rings, new closet bolts, new wax rings, and then gave them a new supply line. They had some water leaking out of the tank at the fill valve, and so I couldn't see anything leaking when I got here, but based on what the homeowner says, that they had some dripping, pretty substantial leaking coming out of there. So even though we couldn't get it to generate any leaking while we were here, we went ahead and just put in a new fill valve. These guys are, $7, $8 at Home Depot, so no big deal. And then of course we replaced the supply line as well. We just don't like to reuse products when we worked on something, in the event that that product, existing product, even though we installed it a year, 2, 3 years ago, we just like new product in when it's connecting to the toilet. So anyways, new valve is in. We did test this guy. First time we installed it, it actually did leak again, and we took it back apart, and bottom of the bowl there was lots of sand, lots of debris. We cleaned it up, we thought pretty good, but apparently we'd left some debris around the penetration where this fill valve mounts. And so there's a rubber gasket down there, and probably just a little bit of grit in between the gasket and the tank, and so it was still dripping. So we took it back apart, and of course, got it cleaned out, dried it out real good, got all the debris out of there, and of course cleaned off the gasket, the little rubber gasket, reinstalled it, and now we're good. So brand new 3/8 by 7/8 by 20 inch supply line. It's brass craft, straight out of Home Depot. Fill valve, fluid master, and these are universal. This is what we use. I mean, everybody uses these guys, and so that guy's in, and of course that's straight out of Home Depot as well. I mean, you can get these anywhere, you don't have to get them at Home Depot. So those two items are in. It's filling correctly, flushing correctly, shutting off correctly. Outside of that, this service call is done.